welcome to my channel, my Must Kitchen once again. Friends, today I am going to share water spinach recipe with you all. Water spinach. In Hindi it is called kalambi and in Bengali it is called Kolmi. The spinach is very healthy, tasty and very easy to make. So let's move to my Must Kitchen to prepare water spinach.
To prepare this, I have taken one bundle of water spinach. Water spinach in Hindi it is called kalambi and in Bengali it is called Kolmi. Leaves are long, see, and thick green. Check while buying from vegetable market. First of all, soak in water for around 20 minutes. This will help in washing off surface chemicals and pesticides along with dirt. Now wash them thoroughly under running water. Cut the stems. Now chop the leaves finely. While chopping, it's better idea to take a thin knife. This way you can chop them as fine as required. Peel off a medium-sized potato and cut them into long and thin slices. See, like this. Now keep them aside. Place a karai on fire and add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil into it. When oil is smoky hot, then add around 6 to 7 dry lentil dumpling into it. This is called badi in Hindi and bori in Bangla. By grinding wet lentils and drying them in sun, badi is made. Badi is very easily available in the market. It's better to buy from the market. Fry them till golden brown. Keep aside. Now add 1 slit green chili to the kadhai. Add half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and half a teaspoon of ginger paste to the kadhai. Fry them for about 30 seconds. Now add the potato to the kadhai and fry for about 2 minutes. We don't have to make it brown or golden brown, just fry it for 2 minutes. Now add the chopped water spinach. Add 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste. Put less salt as water spinach will shrink in volume. If it is required, you can add later. Mix all together. Water spinach is very good for our body, skin and brain. It has got iron, vitamin A, vitamin C and lot of antioxidants. After stirring for about a minute, we'll cover it for about 5 minutes on low flame. These leaves have enough water, so we need not to add extra water to it. We will cook the spinach with occasional stirring. At the end, sprinkle some water and add berries. Mix well. Sprinkle with some more water and cover the lid for a minute. Now add half a teaspoon of sugar. Sugar is optional, you may skip this step. Now one last time, sprinkle with some water and add half a teaspoon of mustard oil. Flavor of mustard oil enhances the taste. Mix well. Now cover the lid and turn off the flame. Let it rest for 10 minutes before serving. The water spinach is ready to serve. Serve it with rice. So friends, this was my today's recipe. You must try in your kitchen, and if you like it, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for visiting my mast kitchen.